Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katya and I am a teacher of Russian language. Today we are going to talk about Russian nouns and in particular about genders of Russian nouns. In Russian language we have three types of genders: masculine, feminine and neutral, and it concerns not only nouns but other types of speech also, like adjective and verbs. Why is it important to be able to identify the gender of noun? Because noun is actually the most important part of the speech in Russian language. Noun impacts on the ending of adjective and verb. For example, we can say белый кот, white cat, but белая собака. So we will change the ending of adjective because gender of noun differs. To begin with masculine gender. So the nouns of masculine gender ends with consonant letter. For example, дом, телефон, цветок. Sometimes they have ending soft sign, мягкий знак. But be careful because even nouns of feminine gender can have ending soft sign. So all the words which end with consonant letter are nouns of masculine gender. But there are three main exceptions. The first one, папа, it ends with R, it ends with vowel, but it is still the noun of masculine gender. Papa means father. It cannot be feminine, right? Next, дедушка, it means grandfather. And the same situation, despite this word ends with R, it is still the noun of masculine gender. And the third one is дядя. It means uncle. So why these are exceptions? Because usually words which have ending a or ya are words of feminine gender, and that's what we are going to talk about now. For example, the word mama, it's feminine gender. It ends with a. Or for example, the word тетя, it means aunt, ending ya. And other examples are like книга, бабушка, тарелка, кружка, подруга. So in all these words are markers of feminine gender, a or vowel ya. But for example, the word тетрадь, it ends with soft sign, but it is still the noun of feminine gender. Or for example, the word кровать, it means bed. And again, it does not end with a or ya, but still it is the noun of feminine gender. In the description, I will write the words of feminine gender which has ending soft sign. Please remember these words and don't confuse it with words of masculine gender. And the third group of words are words of neutral gender. This group is the easiest to remember because mostly these words have ending o or ye. For example, окно, window, письмо, letter, сердце, heart. But still, even in this case, we have some exceptions. But mostly these are all old Russian words, like дитя. It means a kid, but ending ya. But nowadays, we mostly do not use these exceptions in our speech. Just remember that words of neutral gender have ending o or ye. And in this video, I'm talking only about nouns. So once again, the words of masculine gender have ending consonant letter. The words of feminine gender have endings a or ya. Sometimes both masculine and feminine genders have ending soft sign, but it must be learned. And the words of neutral gender have ending o or ye. And now let's try to check how well you understood this rule. I'm going to tell you the word and you are going to tell me which gender it is. For example, брат ends with t, consonant, masculine gender. Or папа, ending a, but still masculine gender. It is exception, just like дедушка, дядя. Жена, ending a, feminine gender. Банан, masculine. Слово neutral. Лестница feminine. Чемодан masculine. Сумка feminine. Кофе neutral. But interesting thing about the word coffee. Recently, it was considered to be the word of masculine gender, and people, even Russian people, used to correct each other. Like, don't say моё кофе, say мой кофе. But today, two variants are considered to be correct. So, coffee could be the word of masculine gender and neutral gender as well. What about чай? This is masculine gender. And молоко, neutral. Мясо, also neutral. So I hope now you have better understanding how to identify the gender of Russian nouns. But don't forget to learn exceptions, because actually in Russian language we have so many exceptions.